Amsterdam calling, so pick up.
Everyone, welcome back to Amsterdam Calling, and this is a special edition because we are at the Party of the Ring Festival on the A10 Freeway to celebrate the 750th anniversary of Amsterdam's existence, or its birthday. They have closed down the A10 Freeway, and there is going to be one big party. Now, it is subdivided into 3 sections, and what I didn't know is that you needed tickets to get into 2 of the sections that have the big dance parties and all of that. But you can go to a free section on the east side, and that is where I'm gonna go. At first, I didn't think I wanted to go. I didn't think it would be that exciting, but hey, how often do they close down a freeway and you could walk on it? So at least for that, I want to get a few video images. So anyway, I'm at Amsterdam Zuid. That is sort of an entry point for a couple of the sections, and I am trying to find the entrance to the east section, and I've been directed this way, and let's see if we can find it. I have some good news. I'm starting to give walking tours through the Amsterdam city center through my company, Amsterdam and You Walking Tours. It's going to be a comprehensive 3-hour tour with lots of popular highlights and of course some hidden gems thrown in that you won't find in the tourist guides. So if you like my videos and you want to spend some time with me walking around Amsterdam in the city center, book my tour now through my website, amsterdamandyou.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below. See you in Amsterdam. Okay guys, so I've been directed to actually walk back from Zuid towards the Rai section. The metro was closed there. So anyway, I have to walk back, and they said it's about a 10-15 minute walk, and then I could, that is the entrance to the east section. And they did give you some free water when you entered. I finally made it to the gate for the free gate on the east side, but it is closed. And I think from what I read, there was some sort of running event that was going on. So I think that has to finish before they open it up to the general public. So at 4 o'clock we can go in finally. There's a drone above my head. All right guys, we're in. We're walking actually on the off-ramp up to the A10. And we're starting here at the Rai, sort of in Amsterdam Zuid, Amsterdam South. And I think the only other entrance and exit is in Watergraafsmeer in Amsterdam Oost. So it's going to be a long walk, but let's see what happens. Well, here we are on the closed A10 highway. How many times can you say in your life that you get to walk on a closed highway? The next time this will probably happen is if there's a nuclear evacuation or your car breaks down. Well, it's probably the hottest part of the day, and I have my Max Verstappen hat on to protect me. I thought there was going to be some sort of stands, food, drinks along the highway, but I think that's only for the ticketed section. Here in the free section, it's just one stretch of open highway. It's like a highway in the desert. It's sort of a no man's land. So anyway, people are taking refuge here in the only shade there is, which is underneath the traffic signs. So anyway, let's see if there's any water refill stations coming up. So finally we're at the halfway point, and there is a water refill station. Got water, moving on to go to the end. So guys, this feels less of a party and more like a sci-fi movie after a big nuclear bomb hit and everybody has to evacuate by the only freeway. guys, we made it to the other side. We're at actually the start point of where the race started earlier today. We finally made it to the endpoint, to Watergraafsmeer in Amsterdam Oost. And thoughts about this? Yes, it was very fun, able to walk on the A10 highway. Can't wait to see the footage of the actual party up on the south and the west part of the highway. I'm sure that is going to be awesome. A reminder, you know, I give walking tours, Amsterdam and You walking tours in the city. Go to my website at amsterdamandyou.com and sign up for a tour today. And until then, I'm Dam Jerry with Amsterdam Calling, hoping all of your days are lief, leuk en lekker. Tot de volgende keer.